Ever wonder how certain things get their names? Well, that's what we're going to find out. Hey guys, it's Vince here, and here are 5 names of things you didn't know. Number 5. The Yo-Yo. This toy can be seen all over the world. But did you know the name Yo-Yo comes from the Philippines? The first Filipino yo-yos were originally used as a hunting tool to hunt animals. Then, later, it became a popular toy for kids. The name yo-yo in Tagalog, the Philippine language, means to come back or return. A Filipino man named Pedro Flores brought the yo-yo to America, and it still kept its original name. At number 4 is the delicious dessert Tiramisu. Most people think that the name comes from Japan, but it is actually from Italy. In Italy, it means pick me up or cheer me up. The main ingredient of this dessert is the savoiardi, or ladyfingers in English. No, not those ladyfingers. Definitely not that. Yes, these ladyfingers. If you haven't tried this dessert yet, well, you should. It is very delicioso. Moving on to number 3 is tofu. This is a word that originally came from China as tofu. Then it passed through the Japanese and became tofu. In Chinese, go means bean and fu means rotten or sour. If you cooked tofu before, you would know why the Chinese named it that way. It smells really bad and has a sour taste to it. It sounds gross and all, but if prepared and cooked by a great chef, then it can be pretty tasty. At number 2, we got the jeans. Jeans are pants made from denim. The origin of jeans comes from Genoa, Italy. The French call Genoa jaune. That sounds very familiar to the word jeans. Jacob Davis and Levi Strauss were the masterminds behind the jeans we all wear. We should thank them for the pair of fashionable pants that never gets old. And at number 1 is ketchup. The origins of the name ketchup is far from American. It actually comes from China. Believe it or not, the word ketchup comes from a Hokkien Chinese word, ketchup. This is what they call the brine or sauce that comes from fermented fish or pickled fish. The British tried to replicate the sauce by using mushrooms. The first sauces looked really dark and black. After some time, when ketchup was introduced to America, the recipe changed and people started using tomatoes. The sweet flavor of red tomatoes quickly grew in popularity. So those were the 5 names of things you didn't know. What was the most surprising thing from the list? Let me know what you think at the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.